Hi guys, welcome. It's Ashley with Bad Ash Vegan and
It's Scout here.
Scout. Today we are going to show you a tutorial on a 1-ingredient hair mask. Right.
Yep, and we're gonna do it so, like, what are you saying?
I don't know what you're saying.
Okay, we're gonna do a slow,
How about you just tell them what the ingredient is?
it's coconut oil
Coconut oil hair mask
and a hairbrush.
and a hairbrush. So Scout is actually going to take this coconut oil and put it in my hair. And while she does it, we'll ask her some questions.
Yeah.
Okay, so coconut oil, if you don't know, is a hard oil, but when you rub it in your hands, it turns into liquid. I have done many coconut oil hair masks in my hair before. I've even slept with coconut oil in my hair overnight.
And
It just
have
hydrates it.
clothes.
Okay, sit down. It just hydrates it. So this is one of my go-tos to condition my hair. So I don't know if any of you guys know, but about a little over a year ago, I did a side shave. So you can see, this is my outgrowth from a little bit of over a year ago. So that being said, this coconut oil mask is gonna do me some good so that it all grows. Okay, Scout, let me see your hand.
Okay.
And I feel like I wanna put some in her hair, we'll see. Coconut oil it up, girl. So it is gonna be hard, but if you rub it through, it'll just turn into oil. Okay, Scout, go ahead.
I'm scared.
Just put it in. I'm gonna help you, okay? So just rub it in really good, and it turns from solid to liquid. Okay, rub it in. Okay, so Scout, can I ask you a couple questions while we do this?
Yeah.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I think a princess.
A princess?
Okay.
What kind of princess?
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel. So you're gonna need long hair to be Rapunzel, huh? So you should probably put coconut oil in your hair too, huh?
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna put a lot right here. Rub it in.
Okay.
Scout, who's your best friend?
Tessa.
Tessa, that's nice.
Okay, I'm just gonna get a little more.
Keep going, good job. What's your favorite food, Scout?
Vegetables.
Vegetables, great. What's mommy's favorite food?
Salad.
Salad. Well, sometimes.
Yeah. Sometimes.
But I do like hummus too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks messy though.
I know, doesn't it?
Wait,
See the oil going in here? It just feels so good. Like I can feel it hydrating my hair. I might sleep with this in tonight, I'm not gonna lie. And then it just washes out in the morning, but just to keep it on all night, super hydrating. Scout, should we do your hair too?
Yeah.
So as
because
you can
it wouldn't
see,
be Rapunzel.
some of it's liquefied, but some of it's chunky. Right, Scout?
So I'm just gonna talk for a little bit to mommy.
Okay.
So, how is your favorite princess?
My favorite princess, I think, would be a Scout. Okay, so Scout, look it. You see how wet it is here? We have enough there. So now, let's brush through it.
Mommy, my hand!
It's okay, we're still gonna... Okay, so you can see the oil coming in. It just feels so good, like, it feels hydrating in my hair. Okay, Scout, I just think we need to brush it through and then I'll do yours. What do you think about that?
I'm gonna do it too.
You wanna brush it? So make sure you get it into the roots and all the way down at the bottom where I did my undercut so that this stuff grows, like for real. The half shave was cool for like a minute and then now I have to grow it out. So. But anyways, this feels so good. All right, Scout, let's do yours now.
Okay, I'm scared. Thanks, guys. Guys, comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below. What do you want them to comment if they like it? Look, this feels great. Okay, turn this way. Scoot your bottom back a little. Comment down below. And what else do you want them to do?
Just ask your family if you want this video, and you just ask your mom.
Ask your mom what?
Your
To do this coconut oil mask?
Yeah.
Oh, doesn't this feel so nice? Can you feel it hydrating your hair, Scout? You can? You gotta say, smash that like button.
flashlight.
Now, Scout has very fine hair. Very, very fine hair. So, maybe all this coconut oil magic will help it grow in a little thicker, huh? And then you can be like Rapunzel. We're at the bottom of this jar here. I'm like digging in. Here, Scout. There's a huge clump right here. Take some of that. Okay, rub it in. I just love doing this. It's so nourishing for your
Okay,
hair.
guys, my hands.
Okay, put it in.
Oh my gosh, that's true.
We're gonna have to take a picture of our hair, all oily. Okay, Scout, honestly, you have enough probably. Let's brush yours out now.
Okay.
I'm just gonna get mine at the roots a little bit. You can see.
You can see my hair, guys. So
Looks great, Scout. Okay, let me brush yours through. All right. Scout, if you could only eat one thing for the rest of your life, what would you eat?
Carrots and probably broccoli and peppers.
Carrots, broccoli, and peppers. Very good choices. I would.
And broccoli.
You said broccoli. I know that's her favorite. Oh, okay. So look at you guys. See how her hair is very fine. Turn this way. Look at that. Look how oily hers is because her hair is very fine. Fine. Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to sleep with like a towel around your head
Oh my gosh.
unless we wash it out tonight. This is the first time I've done hers.
Can I see
Okay,
it?
Scout. Do you know what I would eat if I could only eat one thing for the rest of my life?
What?
Well, you said three things, so I'm gonna go with hummus, olives, all olives, hummus, olives, and bananas probably. I just love bananas. I eat a lot of them. Okay, so here we are with our oil masks. Feels good, doesn't it, Scouty?
Yeah, my hair's...
You might have a little too much. She's got a little, like it's like dripping down. So anyways, we're gonna let this sit for at least 10-15 minutes.
Okay,
We
I'm
might
gonna
sleep
say
in it.
something. Comment down below if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And,
Yeah, I think that's good, right?
And what else?
That's it. You did great.
And
Oh, say-
smash like,
smash-
and subscribe to the channel.
Yep.
Bye.
Say thank you.